Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 21st of May. Trump America First policy helping or hurting the US? European companies, and more specifically German companies, are worried that US President Trump is increasingly thinking only of America's interest and does not consider the effect of the actions on other countries. Lately, the US has pulled out of the 2015 Iran nuclear deal, and Germany has acknowledged things could get tough for companies doing business with Iran. Germany companies also face the prospect of possible extra levies with the imposed tariff on steel imports and aluminium. America First seems to be becoming America alone, according to DIHK President Eric Schweitzer, and also added that the fact makes German businesses really worried. France is looking to see if the European Union could compensate European companies that might face US sanctions for doing business with Iran, French Finance Minister Bruno Le Maire said on Sunday. Further negative comments regarding difficulties of European companies doing business could hurt the euro. For the next days, we see the case for EURUSD to trade in a sideways movement with some bearish tendencies, as the financial data to be released this week support the scenario. US and China put trade war on hold. The world's largest economies agree to put aside their tariff threats while they work on a wider trade agreement, US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said on Sunday. On Saturday, Beijing and Washington said they would keep talking about measures under which China would import more energy and agricultural commodities from the United States in order to reduce the $335 billion annual US goods and services gap with China. Vice Premier Liu He, a representative of China's President Xi Jinping, said both sides agreed to stop slapping tariffs on each other and called this visit positive, pragmatic, constructive, and productive. Further good news on the US-China relationship could strengthen the USD. USDJPY tested the 110.95 resistance level, now turned to support. We see the case for USDJPY to trade in a sideways movement with some bullish tendencies, as it could reach the 111.45 resistance level. Today's other economic highlights: during the American session, the FOMC member Bostic speaks, and later on Philadelphia Fed President Harker speaks. Also, the OPEC meeting is to take place, but the time of the meeting has not yet been disclosed. As for the rest of the week, on Wednesday we get Japan's, France's, Germany's and Eurozone's preliminary manufacturing PMI for May, UK inflation data for April, and Eurozone's preliminary consumer confidence for May. Last but not least, the FOMC meeting minutes is to be released. On Thursday, we get the UK retail sales growth rates for April. And on Friday, we get Germany's IFO business climate for May, UK's GDP growth rate for the first quarter, and the US durable goods orders data for April, as well as the final Michigan consumer sentiment for May. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.